cooking channel. Today we will cook stir-fried broccoli with tofu. This dish is healthy and low-carb. Ingredients are broccoli, chopped garlic, and dried tofu. Sliced tofu. Cut broccoli into small pieces. Fry dried tofu until both sides golden brown. Slice tofu set aside. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add broccoli and stir-fry. Simmer broccoli with water until broccoli softens. Seasoning with oyster sauce, salt, and chicken powder at taste. Pour in fried tofu. Sugar and stir-fry. Thicken the sauce with cornstarch water. Cornstarch powder and water ratio is 1:1. Stir-fry broccoli with dried tofu is done.
Yummy!
This dish is easy and tasty. Give it a try. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious and easy recipes. See you in next video, yeah.